Hello, and welcome to the Environmental Nature Center, where we provide high-quality education through hands-on experience with nature. This afternoon, we'd like to talk about, well, fashion, of course, and what to wear if you're planning on volunteering at the center. Dylan, Natasha, and Christy are wearing all the wrong things if they're coming to volunteer at the Environmental Nature Center.
Whatever. I'll change.
While these people look great for a day out at the beach, they would not be well protected while having fun and making a difference at the center. For starters, our volunteers will be out in nature, which is the point, right? So they're going to want to wear long pants. Pants. So much more functional. And for the area north of the belt,
cover up those shoulders, stay protected, because you're going to be in the sun.
sunblock is a must for all our volunteers. And bring your own hair and makeup person. One will not be provided. High heel shoes? Oh, no. Not even if they're Jimmy Choos. Well, no Jimmys. Flip-flops or sandals, not the best option. Perfection! There is nothing more lovely than practical shoes.
If you've worn your hiking shoes before, clean them first before coming to the ENC so you don't track it and weed seed. Same thing goes for gardening gloves.
Closed-toe shoes are the best fashion choice for planting, giving tours, and most volunteer work here at the Environmental Nature Center. Everyone can have fun volunteering in the proper attire. These two are ready to commune with nature safely. See you dressed to volunteer at the Environmental Nature Center. Oh, and don't forget to BYOFWB.
The Environmental Nature Center inspires all generations to protect our natural world by serving as our community's foremost authority in ecological responsibility, sustainable practices, and environmental education.
Thank you to our generous donors. Without their help, the work of the Environmental Nature Center would not be possible.
Designing the looks. The first look, you're supposed to be inappropriately dressed. So we want short sleeve or tanks.
Track it and weed seed.
Seedweed.
Seedweed. I knew how to say
It is weed seed.
Roll in.